How much money do you need to feel comfortable? Well, what if I told you that a YouTube channel featuring adorable kittens can earn up to $11,000 a month, and a channel showcasing funny animals has the potential to make up to $211,000? Do you want to know one of the most profitable strategies for generating extra income on YouTube? Then make sure to watch this video until the very end, and I'll reveal the secret services that can multiply your earnings.
Mathematical!
The best part is, your channel can generate income without even the need for shooting, editing, or appearing in front of a camera. Hey there everyone, I'm Mike Ross. With my experience in creating and promoting 9 channels of my own, I've come to the realization that making money on YouTube is not only easy, but also the most effective way to achieve financial success. The best part is that you have a complete control over your work and earning potential. During my internship at a remarkable company called Socially Powerful, specializing in media and influencing marketing, I thought that I had reached the pinnacle of my dreams. The prospects for personal growth were immense. Simultaneously, I was experimenting with channel promotion on YouTube and achieved a level of income that even top managers at large companies would envy. It was then that I realized I could be equally valuable here by sharing the most effective money-making methods with you. My goal is to help you become more knowledgeable, independent, and prosperous. If you're ready to transform your life and make real money, then I encourage you to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Together, let's embark on this journey to financial success. Now, let's dive into the strategy. This strategy utilizes the monetization options provided by YouTube platform itself, along with a service that can significantly boost your earnings. It consists of 4 simple steps, but it's crucial to follow each step carefully to maximize your earnings. Are you ready? Let's begin. Step 1, find a video. Start by searching on YouTube for a video that has potential to go viral. It's recommended to explore niches like animals, pranks, or funny cats. Look for the most popular video within those niches. For instance, I came across a video called "Cats Will Make You Laugh Your Head Off," funny cat compilation, with a staggering 119 million views. Let's play the video and watch it together. While we won't be using the entire video for our strategy, we'll focus on a small portion of it. Take note of any funny or interesting moments in the video. Personally, I found at least 3 cats that brought a sense of quirkiness and amusement to the compilation. It's always great to add a touch of eccentricity and joy to your lives. Now, click on the share button and copy the video link. Great. You've successfully completed the first step. And if you're curious about how effortless it can be to create content that allows you to earn up to $100,000 per month simply by running your YouTube channel, so you can experience and level up your own YouTube channel or build a successful business from a dozen channels like mine and start making real money online with YouTube, I've developed a unique method, and I'll tell you more about it at the end of the video. But for now, don't waste any time. Subscribe to my channel to be the first to learn about the most profitable strategies for earning on YouTube. Now, let's move on to step number 2, downloading videos to your computer. To download a video, we need to use a YouTube downloader service. There are various options available, such as YT1S site or ssyoutube.com, which can be found through simple Google search for YouTube downloader. In this demonstration, I'll be using YT1S. I already have the homepage open. Simply paste the video link into the provided field and click on Convert. Next, select the Download MP4 option and the video will start downloading to your computer. Depending on the service, you may need to click on the Download MP4 button multiple times and grant permission to download the files. By the way, I have exciting news for you. There will be a bomb new video coming soon,
and the world is not prepared,
where I'll discuss a strategy that leverages the most advanced technology. The popular and promising ChatGPT bot will delve into the future of content creation, massive earnings on YouTube, and the exhilarating hype surrounding it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out and be among the first to learn about this incredible strategy. Now, let's move on to step 3, designing your video using Canva. Why Canva.com? This service allows you to quickly and easily transform a regular video into a vertical, mobile-friendly format. Click on the icon labeled video. Perfect. Now select mobile. This will enable us to transfer our clip directly from the computer to our blank template. Excellent. Let's set the beginning. Click on the scissors icon. Move the slider to 1 minute and 40 seconds to set the beginning of the video. The video will end at a 2-minute mark just after the kitten falls. That's the best part in my opinion. This is the segment and stop. Click on done. If you prefer, you can choose a different segment. Now, let's center stretch our clip so that it optimally fits the vertical frame. Perfect. Let's play it again to check. Excellent. We now have a beautiful 20-second video. Now, let's add text. Click on the appropriate section and choose a stylish header style, such as the one shown. Click on it. Okay, drag it up. Change the text to link in description. This will serve as our call to action for monetization. I'll explain in detail how it works in step number 4. Adjust the headline so that it fits nicely within the white rectangle. Next, copy the text and duplicate it in the rectangle below. However, this time, we'll make it smaller to leave room for arrows on the side. Like this. Perfect. By the way, don't forget to check out another one of my videos where I share a cool strategy using Canva's service to create shorts in anime niche. Channels are already earning up to $160,000 with this method. You can click on the tooltip in the corner of the screen or find the link in the video description. Now, let's get back to the arrows. Again, click on Elements. In the search box, type arrow and choose a bolder option. All right, rotate it, change the color to red and overlay it on the rectangle below. This will indicate to viewers that the correct link is located below. Now, copy the arrow and place it on the other side as well. Great. Now we have an amazing viral video that is 20 seconds long. All we need to do is download it. Locate the video and click on share, then select download. Okay, moving on to step 4, uploading the video to YouTube. I've already started the upload process. Now we need to optimize the video for the search engine to increase its chances of going viral. To do that, in the table of contents, write funny cat compilation, #shorts. Don't worry about the thumbnail, as it will be automatically generated from the video. Scroll down in the tag section, include relevant tags such as #cat, #funnycats, #funnycatscompilation, keeping it within the maximum limit of 500 characters. And if you know any tags that can maximize the promotion of this video, be sure to share them with me and your fellow viewers in the comment section. In general, I strongly recommend that we support each other and share useful information. This will allow us to develop faster, more effectively, and earn more money. Now, before we upload our video, let's talk about monetization. I'm going to show you exactly how you can monetize your channel without relying solely on the YouTube affiliate program. Let's head over to teespring.com. Here, we can create a product using print-on-demand service. When someone clicks on the link and purchases an item, such as a t-shirt, Teespring will handle the printing and shipping process. They will then share 25-50% of the sale with us. You don't have to worry about purchasing t-shirts or creating anything yourself. Teespring takes care of it all on their print-on-demand service. If you found this extra way to make money on YouTube cool, go ahead and give this video a like. Now, let's design the product we're going to sell. Click on Start Creating, and you'll see a list of products to choose from, including apparel, hats, home decor, and accessories. Let's start with something simple, like a men's t-shirt. Navigate to the right section and select our product. Next, let's visit pexels.com. It's a website that offers free photos and videos that you can use without worrying about copyright infringement. In the search box, enter funny cats and choose a photo that you like. For example, this funny kitty. Look how cute he is. That's what the girls will say when they see someone wearing this t-shirt. You might even consider ordering one for yourself to attract a girlfriend. Now, download the chosen file and place it in the template of our t-shirt. Excellent. We now have a t-shirt with a funny kitty on it. Here, you can see that the profit we will make when we sell our shirt is approximately $5. Not bad, considering that your video will be seen by thousands, if not millions of YouTube users. One last thing, take the link to the product we created and place it in the video description. Above that, add the caption, Funny Cat Meme Tee. Remember, we've added the red arrows to grab the viewer's attention. So now we have a hilarious shorts video that will go mega viral, and we have a way to monetize that video by providing a link for viewers to purchase the funny t-shirt. The only thing left to do is publish the video. That's why I believe YouTube is the best source for making money online. With my many years of experience on YouTube, I understand this 100%. Many people are afraid of YouTube, feeling less confident here than they'd like to. Questions pop up at every step and doubts start creeping in, like, I don't know anything, I don't understand, or I can't do this.
I just can't.
Of course, to reach your goal, you need a certain knowledge base and a strategy. That's why I've developed the YouTube automation system, where channels work for you and bring in passive income, making you a millionaire. Now, you don't need to spend a ton of time searching for scattered information on YouTube. You don't need to figure out what works and what doesn't. I've gathered everything you need to guide you step by step from channel creation to earning $10,000 or even $100,000 a month. This course is designed for those who don't have a channel yet and are just starting their YouTube journey, as well as for those who already have a channel but don't know how to start earning or how to increase their income. The link is in the description below this video. Join my Hack YouTube course and we'll get into detail about everything you need for a successful channel and making a profit of $10,000 a month on YouTube. We'll find the most profitable niche for you, break down monetization methods, create a channel management strategy for the next 3 months, uncover the most current video design life hacks, share a collection of secret content creation and quality improvement tools.
What do you need?
Tools.
Lots of tools.
And explain how YouTube algorithms work and how to hack them so your videos always end up in YouTube's recommendations. And by the end of the course, you'll have your very own monetized YouTube channel where you can guarantee your dreams will come true. You know what to do. Click the link in the description right now, leave your contact information, and start your YouTube money hackers journey with me. I'll be waiting for you. And now, I want to share with you guys the results of my students who already finished the course and hacked YouTube with me.
Hi, it's Ralph.
I'm Elizabeth.
Hi, I'm Alex.
It's Sophie.
I was trained on the Hack YouTube by Micros.
And I can safely say that I've hacked YouTube.
Almost $6,000. This is how much I earned on my 3 channels over the past month.
Already brings me more than $100 a day.
And in just 2 months, I got to 11,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel.
And only thing I regret that I didn't buy this course earlier.
Mike, I am immensely grateful to you for changing my life for the better.
Wow. Today you've discovered an incredible money-making strategy. If you found this information valuable and want me to continue sharing profitable strategies and cool tips for earning a high income, please show your support by liking this video. Your likes will let me know your interest and motivate me to bring you more valuable content. If you're inspired by this method of making extra money on your YouTube channel, I highly recommend you watch this video about services that can help you generate up to $50,000 in additional income per month. Simply click on the link to watch it. This was Mike Ross. Watch my videos, grow your channel, and unlock the path to financial prosperity. Wishing you success and incredible YouTube hacker days. Peace out.